my name is Michelle, and today I got my 4th Amazon Prime wardrobe. I have a lot of feelings about Prime wardrobe, and I have a lot of feelings about Amazon. I actually explained all of that in a video. I'll card that above so I don't really have to go into that right now. Here it is. I have not opened it yet. But with Prime wardrobe, you get to pick the items that you want. You can pick up to 8. And I did a Prime wardrobe of just one brand, which was Daily Ritual. Daily Ritual is owned by Amazon, and their flavor of clothing is basics. So tees, pants, tunics, lots of stripes, solid colors, nothing too fancy, nothing too trendy, but the things that a lot of people have and need in their wardrobe. When I got this bag, what ran through my mind was, wow, just 8 pieces of clothing and pretty small bag. You could throw all of these things into a weekend bag or a getaway bag and potentially have lots of outfits with only 8 pieces of clothing. So I'm hoping to do something a little fun, different for this try on and actually see how many outfits we can make with these clothing pieces that I got. But first, let's do the unbagging. All right, so Prime Wardrobe will send you your items, they send you a return label, and then they send you an invoice. I don't go over the prices for Prime Wardrobe because there's so much price fluctuation with Amazon, but below there will be a link to the Amazon item in case you're interested so that you can see what the current price is. Okay, so I got 2 pairs of pants, 3 shirts, 2 dresses, and a jacket. Pants. Ooh, pretty nice. So this first pant is a legging. It's point knit legging in black gray twill pattern. Let's see if you can see that. It does have a little bit of a gray pattern in there. So these are actually pretty nice. I'm impressed with these so far because they do look, the quality isn't like super legging-ish. It looks like I could wear these to work potentially. And they were a good price. Second pair of pants, I got a maroon, red, rust, not really sure what color it looks across in the camera. It does kind of look red rust to me. And I did get a maroon colored pant in my fashion. And it wasn't exactly the right pant for me. But I loved the color, so I've been on the hunt for a maroon pant. So when I was getting a pant, I decided to get it in this color. And this pant is really, really soft. I mean, I'm very impressed with how soft this pant is. This is the cotton sateen 5-pocket skinny pant. That explains the softness. Cotton is my favorite material for clothing. So, liking this pant so far too. All right, those are okay. And our first shirt that we have right here, this is a 100% linen half-sleeve dolman t-shirt. So hand wash is recommended on this because this is 100% linen. You know, for some of the linen things that I've received, this is actually significantly not as wrinkly as some of the linen things that I've received. Top 2, this is the terry cotton and modal side vent tunic, white, black, skinny stripe. So you got a side vent here. Basic tunic, tunic length. This is cotton and modal. Very soft, and this is a pretty heavy shirt. Last shirt. This is the jersey rib trim drop shoulder short sleeve scoop tunic, white navy stripe. Lots of words there. It comes in a variety of colors, so again, check out the links below, but you can see a differentiation in the stripes here compared to this side, this. And this is supposed to be kind of a drop shoulder, so it's kind of a broad neckline right there. First dress. This is the jersey sleeveless v-neck dress in black. This is a classic midi. Last dress. This is the jersey sleeveless gathered dress in charcoal heather gray. So very similar to the black dress, slit at the bottom, about the same length. But this one has an elastic waist, so a little bit more shape. And the very last item, which I was actually surprised to see in a basic line, was a cargo jacket, and I got it in dark gray. I mean, this cargo jacket actually ×2 for every single outfit option because you can put this on top of it, except maybe that really thick tunic, but we'll see. This is a fairly priced cargo jacket, and it seems to be really good quality too. It's like a jean material. All right, so I am going to try all these clothes on, mix and match, and create some outfits, and next we're going to get to the try on. So see you in that. Outfits with 8 pairs of clothing. So like I said, you could just throw all those things in a bag and be ready for a 2-week vacation, of course with mild weather, because there's no coats in there and there's no shoes, so maybe a bigger than a weekend bag. But that was fun, and actually I'm really impressed by Daily Ritual. A lot of the clothing felt really good. I really liked the pants. Those were my favorite, and I really liked the tunic out of the shirts that I tried on. It was such a heavy material, and I really liked the shape of it. The other 2 shirts were really nice too. I would just have to think about that linen one, since it's 100% linen. It requires a little bit different care than just a normal cotton shirt. The dresses weren't my favorite, probably just because I felt like it wasn't exactly the right size for me, and dress-wise, I think there's just other options out there. Those weren't the ones that I would buy as basics. But the tops and the pants were totally solid for the price that you're paying. So I'm glad that I gave Prime Wardrobe another chance and that I gave Daily Ritual a chance, because I think I'm going to keep a few of these things. All right, so I know that these videos are pretty bad. This may be my worst one yet. But thanks for being super nice to me. Anyway, see you in the comments. Bye.